Good day, sir. My topic is genocide. So, the word genocide was the first coined by Polish lawyer Raphael Lemkin in 1944. In his book, Axis Rule in Occupied Europe, it consists of the Greek prefix genus, meaning race of tribe, and the Latin suffix side, meaning killing. And genocide is a serious international crime that involves act committed with the intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a national, ethnic, racial, or religious group. It is considered one of the gravest offenses under international law. So, genocide can include killing members of the group, causing serious bodily or mental harm. It deliberately inflicting conditions meant to destroy the group, such as starvation or forced relocation, preventing birth, or forcibly transferring children to another group. This crime goes beyond mass murder because it targets the very existence of a group based on identity. Genocide is prosecuted by international courts such as International Criminal Court or ICC and is universally condemned due to its devastating impact of humanity. So the gen So the genocide was the first recognized as a crime under international law in 1946 by Nations General Assembly. It is codified as an independent crime in 1948. Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide. So the convention has been ratified by 149 states as of January 2018. So the genocide establishes in that the crime of genocide may take place in the context of an armed conflict, international or non-international, but also in the context of a peaceful situation. The latter is less common but still possible. So the genus so napoy law nga nag prevent sa genocide here in the Philippines, which is the RA 9851, is also which is the Philippine Act on Crimes Against the International Humanitarian Law, Genocide and other against crimes against humanity. So that's all. Thank you.